What's up guys, I just received a gift box by LG and I've got no idea what's inside, so I thought it'd be a great idea to share this moment with you guys. So the logo on the box is of course LG XBOOM, so let's get this box open. Let's see what's inside. Wow. Merry Christmas Chicks Tech Reviews. Oh, I like that. That is so nice. What a nice touch. Next we have an envelope, so I'm assuming there's going to be a Christmas card inside. So it says Merry Christmas on the front. Let's see what it says inside. Wow. Dear Chicks, we LG XBOOM Team are serving you a heartfelt thanks, wishing you the happiest of holidays. In 2018, your patronage made all the difference. We want to thank you from the bottom of our hearts and we look forward to working with you in 2019 as well. May LG XBOOM lighting brighten your upcoming year. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, LG XBOOM Team. What a beautiful Christmas card. Now let's see what's behind that envelope. Oh wow, look at that. That is amazing. Wow, look at the effort and detail behind this. Wow, what a beautiful gesture. We've also got their large speaker. So this is the LG XBOOM OK99 speaker, and we've also got a tiny PK7. Incredible. I can see another packet or an envelope of some sort. So it says Merry Christmas on this envelope. Let's get it open. I'm guessing that it's batteries, because I've already seen through the bag. So we've got some batteries and there is something else in here that I'm just going to take out, something small which I just dropped. And I just dropped again. Basically we've got some LED bulbs here. So I'm going to get this all set up with the LED bulbs and I'm going to be right back. I'm a bit lost for words, but thank you so much LG XBOOM Team. That was a very kind gesture from you guys and I was not expecting it. I have worked with so many companies this year, but hand on heart, the LG XBOOM Team are special. Now I would like to take this opportunity to wish all of my viewers, every single one of you, a super happy Christmas and a prosperous new year. 2019 is going to be another magical year for this channel and you can expect lots more useful content coming your way along with bigger giveaways. Meanwhile, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Merry Christmas people.